guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Now first of all, if you want to know how far this paper airplane flies, it flies pretty far if you make it perfect. First of all, you want to have this. Secondly, you want to fold to these corners, hamburger style. The long one. And then you want to unfold it, turn it this way, like that, like a book. And then next thing is next. You want to come up here to this corner, and you want to fold it. And you want this to meet the crease. You want this whole top part to meet the crease, as you can see right here. Now do the same to this one. Now as you can see, we have that. When you make that, you have that, right? When you make that, you want to fold this whole part and by this part of the fold and fold it like this. Make sure this pointy, this part is lined up with the crease, and make sure these parts are lined up with are right fold right when they I don't know, but right here. After doing that, you want to face it with an M. If you've made an M like that, and make an M. And then next, you want to fold it. Not like this. Do not fold it like this, or it's not going to work. Do not fold it like this. Like all the way. Fold it partially to the fold. And then you can see a little bit is still out right here. You want to fold it. And if you fold it like this, it's not going to fly very well. Same thing for the other side. Make sure each part of the corner reaches the crease. And now if this part is lined up, go ahead and fold this remaining part of the M that was before there up. Now, if you made that, you want to do what paper airplanes would usually have to do. Fold it. Fold it like that. Not like this, like that. Make sure your corners stay in here. And then you can finish off the back. And if their corners are not in here, you won't have a good flight. After that, you want to fold this part to this line. After that, do the same thing to the other line. Do not, and what I want you guys to do not fold this all the way, or the wings will not spread out. There's the paper airplane. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Turn on post notifications, and have a nice day. Bye bye.